This is operetta. It's light, it's frivolous, it's funny.
Strauss has these beautiful melodies and these rhythms that make you want to dance.
We're waltzing most of the night, so I think everybody's feet will be tapping.
It's just a real fun evening out.
Eisenstein is a sort of wealthy, aristocratic philanderer, and he has played a rather cruel trick on his friend Dr. Falker some years ago.
A vengeance of the bat!
This is years of revenge in the making, and it all comes to fruition on this one night at Prince Orlovsky's villa.
I've been invited to witness my husband at a party.
I expect she's married some idiot of a husband. All right.
When he's told me that he's supposed to be in prison.
And Eisenstein is persuaded to seduce his own wife unbeknown to him.
You can do anything, Martin. I'm ready now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tick, 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 tick. This is what you do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
Eisenstein has a watch that he has a lot of fun with. He goes ding, ding, dong, dong.
Oh! What a wonderful watch! Where does one get such a wonderful watch?
At a wonderful watchmaker.
Having been duped all evening, at the very end I get to turn the table slightly by swapping clothes and wig with my lawyer, and I get to get my revenge on my wife, who has been fooling me the whole evening.
I wonder if you really are elected planning for the bomb. We must be for the golden rule. It's always to be cool. So just be cool. Just be cool.
There's been some terrific comedy actors and comics that played the role, like Frankie Howard and Clive Dunn, and so I'm stepping into quite big shoes, really. And what attracted me was the fact that there was some sort of free-fall time with the audience, that the character in the first sequence has a sort of open rein to play a little bit, and that's what the different froshes, the froshes of the world, keep it fresh. It's a fresh frosh every time you see it.
Let's see this scratch his eyes on one by one, and then she will divorce me. This she will scratch his eyes on one by one, and then divorce me.
John Copley, I mean, what does anybody have to say about John Copley? He's wonderful, and I feel like I'm collaborating with a historical encyclopedia of opera.
I tell you what he reminds me of in some way. I remember in rehearsals years ago doing Guys and Dolls with Richard Eyre. It was his sort of swan song at the National Theatre, really. And I remember being in rehearsal for that and just feeling the energy that came from the room, from the music, from the set, from the costume, from the choreography, from the sheer energy of the piece. And I remember thinking, God, you know, I think I'm in something really special here, and it was. And I've got the same feeling about this. You know, I think I'm in something quite special here.